Actually, friends, today I'll continue with the same topic which I had earlier. I did a question based on IIT mains that we asked in coordinate geometry. Friend, I have chosen two questions from the IIT mains exam. Number one is here. It looks very simple. The eccentricity of the ellipse, this ellipse, is given equal to 1 by 4. The E is given equal to what? 1 by 4. Okay. And the ellipse passes through the point, this point. It passes through the point, this point passes. Therefore, it will satisfy. Satisfy means 16 into 2 divided by 5 b square and plus 9, a square and divide 9 b square is equal to 1. Well, this is what we got is 32 by 5 a square plus 9 into b square is equal to 1. And what we have to find? We have to find a square plus b square, what this will be. What will be a square plus b square will be? That's my question. So friend, a square plus b square, I want to find E has been given. So what E has been given, and then I want to find out what is E will be equal to, E square 1 minus E square into A square is equal to B square. So 1 minus E square is equal to B square by A square. Therefore, E square is equal to 1 minus B square upon A square. Well, I can take up like this, that B square upon A square is equal to 1 minus E square. I want to use this and use this. Let me multiply by B square. Okay, there are many ways to go. Let me B square divided by A square plus 9 is equal to 1. Now B square upon A square is equal to what? 1 minus E square, 1 minus 1 over 16. That is here. E is equal to this. This is equal to 15 by 16. And I put 15 by 16 here. 32 into 15 by 16 divided by this plus 9 is equal to, I said I multiply the B square. So I forget the B square here. I multiply the B square here. So B square, this is equal to B square. 16 2s are 30. Now here I got B square 1 minus B square is equal to 15 by 6. I multiplied with the 35 by 2. यहाँ पर और रह गया मेरा 35 by 2 into 9 is equal to B square. Sorry friend, 32 into 15 by 16 divided by 3 divided by 5 here, sorry, is equal to 3 is equal to B square is equal to 15. 6 into 9, 15. Okay, this is here. After getting B square and after getting E is equal to this, A square can be found. A square into this is 15 by 16 is equal to what? 15. So this is A square is equal to 16. And therefore, their sum is equal to 31. My answer is where? This is the 31. So simply I have used the question that is here. I'm involving the eccentricity and A square B square. Alright, eccentricity is equal to 1 minus B square upon A square. This is here 1 minus A square B square. This I have to use this. In case of ellipse, you have to remember this. E square is equal to 1 minus B square upon A square. This is to be done. Now here I went to first question. This question was asked in 2022. Here this was the question. In IIT main, this was the question we have done, and this involved ellipse. And here there is a one question asked in the exam of 26th of the June of 2022 in IIT mains, here involving the ellipse and the circle, and it's important type involving the two concepts together. He says m is the slope of the common tangent to this, a tangent to this and tangent to this, and then find the this is what this is equal to. There is a common tangent or ellipse and the circle. Now here is the question involve the two conics, one ellipse, another is circle. I have to remember this. Now there is a common tangent, so I must know what is the tangent on the ellipse. Tangents I know. Well, slope is given, but I know y is equal to mx plus under root into a square m square plus b square, the equation of the tangent. You should not quickly go with this one, a plus minus, this is equal to what? 9 under root. Now it is also tangent to a circle. Circle center 0, 0 and radius is equal to under root 12. So therefore under root 12 distance from here is 0, 0 and 16 m square plus my 9 divided by under root 1 plus my m square. This is how the point x1, y1 here, and this is the equation of the line. Then distance from is ax1 plus bxy1 and plus c divided by a square plus b square under root. This is the distance. I use this distance from this. I could have used the formula c square is equal to a square into 1. Let me tell. Y is equal to mx plus c if it is a tangent to the circle base. So I could have used this. The c square is equal to a square m square. Like we have in case of the hyperbola, instead of this is the a square plus this is the. Here in hyperbola, a square m square plus b square, because a and b are same in case of this circle. So this is here. So I could have used this. I could have this concept is why squaring both sides, and I get the answer. 12m square is equal to 16m square plus 9, and 4m square is equal to 4m square is equal to 3, and therefore he asked 12m square, and this is equal to 9. So the answer again of this question is the 9. So we had the two questions, friends, involving the ellipse, and of course in the second case both the questions simple. They are asked in the examination of the IIT mains, and they were just nothing but simple concept on the conics. I hope you can do, and thank you so much for listening me. Kindly go and wait for my next two questions video next tomorrow.